Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to look at the FAQs of Gemini AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, you can simply go to gemini.google.com. For now, I have the Google Chrome open, so let's search for gemini.google.com. Let's hit on enter. And after you've been redirected to the homepage of Gemini, on the nav bar you will find something like FAQs next to the sign in button. If you click on this FAQ, you will be redirected to another page that is the Gemini app's FAQs, frequently asked questions. But for instance, you have already signed in. Let's try to sign in. Enter your password. And now we are signed into our Gemini account. That's our Google account. So what to do if we want to check on the FAQs? For now, I want to click on these three lines that says expand menu that I will find on the top left corner. Let's click on it. And there are different options available here such as help, activity, and settings. For now I'm going to click on this help button. And right here you can find the FAQs. If you click on it again, you will be redirected to the Gemini app's FAQs. Well guys, that's how you access the FAQs of Gemini. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.